How to know how many hours I use my phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can find out your screen time, like how many hours have you used your phone. So for that, you can just follow up the instructions that I'll be showing on my screen. So without any delay, let's just jump right in. For that, it is super easy. Head over to your main settings of your device, and once it opens up, go ahead and locate digital well-being. Just go ahead and locate up digital well-being and parental controls on your settings. Once you're here, you will be directly finding your screen time here. So as you can see, I have used my device for 9 hours 59 minutes. So you can also see up your screen time, like how many hours have you used your phone. If you feel like you're using your phone for more time, you can set up a screen time goal as well and app timers as well, so that you can control up your screen time on your device. So that is it. That is how you find out your how many hours have you used your phone, by following up those methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells so that you don't miss out on any kind of updates. So thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.